girls and I had a special trip today. We got to go pick up a brand new Cavalier puppy. So please meet Lana Del James, as the girls have named her, our new favorite redhead. And I know you're wondering how this is work related, but I bought this puppy with work money, so we're all very excited about that. As promised, I am going to make an actual video about behind the scenes on a small family business, besides just how cute our puppy is. The other main project I had today was some shipping and packing. So here we go on Canva. I use Canva to make pretty much any of my graphics that you see for lots of different logos, even though I do have another app for some logos, but definitely all of my tags. So since we have monthly subscriptions that change out what the fibers and colors are every month, I love that I can really easily go in, and I've already made this template. I made this myself, and you can see you can switch out the logos, the fonts, but it's easy for me every month to go in and change out what the fiber content or color is, and then print these labels directly at home. And it may not surprise you to know I do just print them on paper, and at this point in my life they're just getting cut out. This is actually a great chore that my girls do because they like to make extra money for puppies and manicure and Starbucks. I may eventually move to a more sophisticated system, but for right now, this really keeps costs down and gives the girls chores that they can do to help me with work, so it's kind of a win-win. Definitely coffee is always involved. These are the poly mailers, and you can get them in different colors. You can actually get them in these tissue papers in whatever color you want off Amazon, as well as the tape. So I just keep everything on auto shipment, and that makes my life a lot easier. When I first started out, I tried to get stuff like this from a fancier wholesale website, and I honestly found that the best prices were on Amazon, so I'm not complaining with how easy that is.